YouTube, welcome to my channel at Lisa J's World. Today I want to do a what's in my bag, and the bag of the day is the Dooney Pebble Grain Leather Flynn bag in the color black. And today I had to carry this bag for business as well as pleasure. So the purpose today was not to fill her up because I had to carry a file folder, clipboard, and notebook along with my other items that I normally carry. And so when I was through with my business, I wanted to be able to take those items out and carry her and see how she carried in the store, because I had to do a couple of errands and I wanted to see how she carried with less items, because when I first wore her, I really still loved it, but I did put too much in her and she was heavy. So let's get into this, but before we do, I like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And also, if you're new to my channel and you like handbag videos, I like to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification below, next to it, so that you're notified when I upload new videos. And let's get into it. I'm excited. She's gorgeous. I love Miss Flynn. She's so gorgeous. I love her shape and everything about her. I even love when you open her and how the shape looks. It transforms when you open her. So let's get into it. So today I had to carry, let's sit her here so I can empty out everything. So today I had to carry my Cambridge notebook. It's a Cambridge Limited notebook, and I really love this notebook for when I'm doing meetings, when I need to meet, and it has the date, topic, meeting objectives, notes, and action items. I really like this. It helps me to be more efficient, especially when I have to keep up with some things. So, and I had a file folder that I carried, and I needed a clipboard as well. So those are the items I had to carry as far as business. In her, I have my lotion. I have my carry-all, which normally I use my carry-all for carry-all items. I don't normally combine her with the makeup, so I didn't carry a makeup bag. So that was one way of me downsizing, so I wouldn't have to carry so much. And I needed a lip gloss of the day. I always carry my contacts, mirror. I had pens, and somebody got me for my other pen. Doggone it. Oh no, there it is. Okay, and my lip balm, lotion, another little lotion, which I need another one of these. It's running out. A couple other items, a hand sanitizer, my lip gloss that I wore today. I didn't wear this today, but she's in there because I wore her the other day. What else I got in here? Okay. Yeah, all the other stuff you've seen before. Okay, so that was my catch-all. And I put my pens in here so I wouldn't make the mistake of putting my pens in pockets and causing any leakage. So I carry my other essentials, my dental floss picks, eye drops, Kleenex, alcohol pads. It's almost like my little hygiene kit. And I carried a small wallet, which I think I'm in the market for another wallet. I want to do a black Dooney and Berg wallet. My eyeglasses, and my normal sprays that I carry with me in the slip pocket here. This slip pocket, I carry those inside there. I want easy access. And my glasses I keep in this pocket. And I don't have my mask right now in the bag, but trust me, it's probably in my car that I left my, I have my mask thing that I carry. They have my extra mask with me, and I must have left her in the car because she is not in here. Okay. So I have some receipts from today, and that's what I carried inside her, and she definitely could have held a little bit more, like my sunglasses, which I didn't really need today, and my cosmetic case. I could have separated it and carried my cosmetic case. Definitely, guys, I want to get a black wallet. I'm sorry, I'm side noting here because I glanced down at this wallet and I'm like, I want a black Dooney wallet. A little bit bigger than this, but I do want a black wallet. Okay, or slate to match my slate satchel. And I also have a slate leisure shopper, so that would be nice. So in this pocket, I have my snacks. And I normally don't carry snacks with me, but since I discovered these Fisher Summit trail mixes, I really like carrying these in my bag, you know, in my bag and in the car because they're good in a pinch when you need them. And at my store, they had them 10 for $10. Okay, and in this pocket here, I carried my gloves and my phone. These are really neat. These are head gloves. I found these at Marshall's. And I didn't know they had a snap closure to keep them together. So it reminds you of when you was a little kid and you had to have your little mittens and your mommy attached the mittens to your jacket. So these are really nice gloves. I really like that feature because you know we're in and out of the car a lot, and it's good to have your items together. Your gloves at least. So I'm going to put everything back in because I want you to see. I'm going to put this and stuff in first, and I don't have my keys. Every time I do one of these videos, I don't really have my keys around. Okay, so I'm gonna put my catch-all back in there like so. If you can see, catch-all, and then I'm gonna put her in here behind her, and I'm going to put the wallet to the side in the corner and my glasses behind her, and put my receipts back. And let's see, where can I put the lotion? On the side. And my sprays in the pocket here, and I even have room for another item to fit in that pocket. As you can see, there is room on the side for something else. And I did show you the glasses inside there. That's becoming a neat feature for my readers. So this is everything, guys. I don't know if you can see everything that's in her. I really like my bag. The Flynn purple grain leather blend in the black. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great week. Bye.